How many parts are there, Zaisha? Loud and proud, track.
There are 12 parts of the clock.
There's 12 parts in a clock. So, guys, when we have these two hands, we have a long hand, we have a
long hand,
and a short hand, and a
short hand.
So, scholars, the short hand tells the hour, and the long hand tells the minute. And I want to give us a little bit of a rhyme to remember. Repeat after me. The short hand has the power.
The short hand has the power.
Oh, you gotta make it sound powerful. The short hand has the power.
The short hand has the power.
To tell the hour.
To tell the hour.
The long hand is in it.
The long hand is in it.
To tell the minute.
To tell the minute.
Alright, now we gotta put it together loud and proud though. So we make it, check your hands though. I wanna make sure that you're looking good. Check your chair. Track here. Let's put it all together. The long hand has the power.
The long hand has the power.
To tell the hour.
To tell the hour.
The long hand. Did I just mess up, scholars? Say silly, Mr. Hills.
Yes, Mr. Hill.
So, scholars, the short hand has the power.
The short hand has the power.
To tell the hour.
To tell the hour.
The long hand is in it.
The long hand is in it.
To tell the minute.
To tell the minute.
So, scholars, when we read a clock, the short hand tells us what hour of the day it is. And when we have both hands telling us like this, it's called 12 o'clock. It's called
12 o'clock.
up track here, so you know what 12 o'clock looks like, Caleb. When you see both hands at the top like this, it's saying that it's a new day.
12 o'clock.
It's saying that it's a new day. Check your hands. It's saying it's a new day and that no minutes have passed. Have any minutes passed in this new day? No, there are 0 minutes. How many minutes?
0 minutes.
0 minutes.
0 minutes.
When 0 minutes have passed, some scholars have already said, what do we call it when no minutes have passed? We learned this in kindergarten, and I heard some of us say it. What do we say when there's 0 minutes have passed? Zamar, what do we say when 0 minutes have passed? Track, Zamar. Do we say 1? Somebody was reading the time for me and they said something after the hour when no minutes have passed. We call that o'clock. So if this says 12, if the hour hand has the power to tell the hour, what hour is this right now?
O'clock.
No, what hour is this? 12. The hour is? The hour is?
12.
And then we say o'clock. We say?
O'clock.
So if we read this time, it would be 12 o'clock. What time is it?
12 o'clock.
Yeah, we already knew this, right? We knew this from last year. Check your hands. Terrell. So, guys, what time is this? It is
12 o'clock.
It is
12 o'clock.
Now, scholars, as a clock, as a clock moves, both hands move. Do just one hand moves? We've all seen a clock before. No, both hands move. So let me move this clock for you. As the minutes turn, what do you notice about the red hand? What do you notice about the hour hand? Up, raise your hand. Don't shut out in first grade. What do you notice, Max, is happening?
I noticed it.
We're all tracking me, but we're listening to Max.
I noticed it's moving.
What's moving? The short hand.
Short hand.
The short hand is moving. What does the short hand tell us?
The short hand tells is what is the second?
The shorthand tells us the seconds. Scholars, let's say that rhyme again to help Max out. The shorthand has the power.
The shorthand has the power
To tell the hour.
to tell the hour.
The long hand is in it.
The long hand is in it
To tell the minute.
to tell the minute.
So what is the shorthand telling us again, Max?
The shorthand tells us
Think of the rhyme.
I think I noticed the shorthand is telling us is the hour.
Yes, the shorthand is telling us the
Hour.
Say you go, boy.
You go, boy.
So scholars, as we read time, let's practice for a moment up here. If I gave you this time, are there any minutes? No. So I want you to take a pencil and see where you see that 12 at the top of your page. I want you to cross that out and put a 0 over it. Because how many minutes have gone by if it's pointing straight up? Look back at your paper and tell me. How many minutes have gone by? Look at the top. If we put a 0 and the minute hand is pointing to 0, how many minutes have gone by?
0 minutes.
How many minutes?
0 minutes.
0 minutes have gone by. Look at this clock here. What time is it? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What time is it? Rafia, what time is this? 10 what? Yes, it's
10 o'clock.
Who can help? Why is it just 10 o'clock? What do you notice about the minute hand? What do you notice about the minute hand? Track. Atia.
What I noticed about the minute hands is that the minute hand is pointing to the 12.
Pointing to the 12. And how many minutes is it when the minute hand is pointing to the 12? Look down at your paper. What did we cross out?
12.
No. What did we cross out? 12. And what did we write above it? 0. So how many minutes have gone by?
0.
How many minutes, class?
0.
So when we see 0 minutes, and only when we see 0 minutes, we say o'clock. We say?
O'clock.
So if it's at 0, we say?
O'clock.
Okay. So scholars, let's practice with this one more time.